Hello guys, Bruno here, and I will talk about the Oliver Tree situation. And it's sad. It's deeply depressing. Look, I'm censoring my face just to warn. Okay, I'm just censoring my face because I don't want to show my face. But it's actually sad that he died, despite only knowing him by his famous bowl cut and by his most popular songs like the life life's gone on, like feel I feel not kind of bad. I feel bad for him, genuinely bad for his death. He was one of my greatest artists, if not my most favorite, but at least my one of my favorite artists. Look, I might not have listened to him so that much, but still I feel bad for him, his death. Also for the people who died in that helicopter, like the YouTuber Gasp, Argentinian YouTuber Gasp, and the other five people who died in there. They died literally in my country. Yeah, it's sad. I'm not crying. I'm not having so much tear, but still, I feel sad inside. Yes, genuinely sad inside. I hope that I believe that he's in a better place right now. I might not be a Christian right now for now, but I mean I'm not a practical Christian for now, but still I believe that he's now in a better place right now with Christ. Okay, goodbye. See you guys next. See you guys later.